Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to pair your Logitech MX3s mouse with your MacBook. We'll start off on the MacBook, so grab your cursor and go up to the Apple logo in the top left and come down to System Settings. From here we want to go to Bluetooth on the left hand side. And just on the right you can see my Bluetooth is off, so I shall toggle that on. If yours is already on, just toggle off and back on to do a fresh discover. Now grab your mouse, flip it over. If you see red, that means it's powered off, so just slide back to the power on position. Towards the bottom, we have a button with 1, 2, and 3. These numbers represent different channels. We can connect channel 1 to the MacBook, channel 2 to a Windows laptop, channel 3 to an iPad, for an example. We'll use channel 1 to connect to the MacBook here. So we want to press and hold the button. Number 1 starts flashing, as you can see on the mouse. Next, we'll scroll down this list of items it's discovered, and we'll see MX Master here. We'll click Connect. The MX Master 3S is elevated to my devices, and if I pop the mouse down, you can see I can now move the mouse. So that's how you connect the Logitech MX3S with your MacBook. I hope that's helped, and if it has, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and helps others discover this video. Thanks very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.